Hello and welcome to Last Fun Barbecue. I wanted to make some kielbasa, so I followed Chef Johnny's recipe. Link to him up above. I've got 2.5 kilos or about 5.5 pounds of pork butt that I'm cutting into cubes, putting on a small tray. And then I'm going to season it with pepper, salt, coriander, marjoram, and some fennel and mustard seed that I mixed. The fennel is the only addition that I have compared to Chef Johnny's recipe. Okay, so I'm seasoning the meat before I put it in the freezer. And actually, which is not on film, is that I'm dividing it into two and putting chili flakes in one half of them. Using the small die, I'm grinding the meat twice just to blend it as much as I can. And then I'm using the bread mixer and running it for about 5 minutes to just incorporate the spices and everything as much as I can. Filling my simple sausage stuffer. This is, I don't remember, I bought it on Amazon. I don't remember what kind it was, but it was really cheap and it's really effective. Filling it almost as full as I can, and then just putting it on the table. I'm using collagen casings that are 3/4 inch or 21 millimeters, and it's the first time using them. I haven't used collagen before, but now that I tasted it, well, they worked really nice. Just starting to twist and forming it into the traditional kielbasa shape. I'm actually gonna make 2 circles and 1 or spirals, and the rest I will just make into links because that's gonna be used most and it's easier to take it apart. So when you make links, just squeeze and twist, and that's the way you shape them. Okay, so the sausages are done. Now I needed to try them, so I took one of each and I brought them out to the kettle where I'm making ribs today, and well, it is about 300 degrees in there, so I just put them to the side and let them cook there. There we go. So I cooked all the way through. I even temped them actually, just to know. So I'm gonna try this. This is the chili one. Maybe I should start with the milder one. I'll start with that and some Dijon mustard. That turned out really well. Thanks, Johnny. Good recipe. Okay, let's try the chili one then. I like the smoke that is on there. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a bite to it, but not much. I didn't add that much chili. Oh, it's good. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this snack. Thank you for watching. Bye.